Hello friends, in this video, we're excited to showcase our latest creation, a remote-controlled window system. As you can see, the device is working beautifully and operates smoothly with just the press of a button. It's a simple yet smart solution that brings both convenience and innovation to everyday living. Watch closely to see how efficiently our device performs. As you can see, when we press the right button on the remote, similarly when we press the left button, the window shifts to the right. This demonstrates how well the control system is functioning, responding accurately to each command. It's a clever mechanism that adds a modern touch. Now that we've seen it in action, let's move on to the making process. So first, we need to bring a wooden and fix it onto a geared motor. So friends, as you can see, this setup is looking really powerful. The strength and efficiency of the motor are clearly visible. It needs to be mounted onto the wooden piece using the help of a hot glue gun for a secure attachment. After attaching it, we need to bring in the battery holder. Make sure to use a holder of very high quality to ensure durability and reliable performance, and fix it to the other side of the wooden piece using hot glue, ensuring it's firmly secured in place. Once both the motor and the battery holder are securely attached to the wooden base, the next step is to place a small wooden piece between them. This piece will act as a support to maintain balance and alignment. So friends, today we're working with a brand new toy remote control car, fresh out of the box. We'll be using it as the base for our next creative project, so stay tuned for something exciting. We used a DC drilling machine to carefully open the toy car, as our main purpose was to safely remove its PCB circuit board for use in our custom project. As you can see, we gently removed it by carefully cutting the wires. We've successfully removed the PCB circuit board from the toy car. It's a very useful component, and we'll now be mounting it onto the small wooden piece we prepared earlier using hot glue. Once the PCB was attached, we brought in a cutter to carefully trim and shorten the circuit wires to the required length, ensuring a neat and proper connection for the setup. After cutting the wires to the desired length, we used a soldering iron to carefully join them, ensuring a strong and reliable electrical connection. Now we bring in the on-off switch, making sure to use one of good quality. It will be securely mounted onto the wooden base using hot glue for a firm and lasting hold. Next, we'll connect the switch wires to the circuit by carefully soldering them, ensuring a stable and secure electrical connection. One wire from the switch needs to be connected to the battery holder to complete the power circuit. Let's take a small piece of wood and drill a hole at the center using a mini drilling machine. This will serve as the base for our next component. This pulley mechanism will continue to operate tirelessly until it aligns precisely according to our requirements, until the desired position is achieved without any compromise. Now that the setup is complete, the pulley is ready to be securely attached to the DC geared motor, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. At this stage, we carefully apply superglue to ensure all the components are firmly secured in place. With this final touch, our device assembly is now complete. This area requires a compact design because the available space is limited and quite small. The next step is to use high-quality double-sided tape to mount the entire setup onto the window. This will allow the device to remain stable during operation, while also being easy to install without drilling or damaging the surface. You can clearly see how smoothly it has been positioned here. The next step is to bring in a thread similar to the one demonstrated in the video, to continue with the setup. At this stage, we take the thread and carefully attach one end of it to a small wooden piece using strong glue. This wooden piece is then fixed onto the window surface to serve as an anchor point. After securing it, we guide the thread around the pulley in a proper loop to ensure smooth movement. The other end of the thread is then attached to a second wooden piece, again using glue to hold it firmly in place. This setup allows the pulley mechanism to function efficiently, just like you can see in the video demonstration. Now let's insert the 3.7 volts battery into the holder and begin the testing process. Let's perform a quick test of the setup. So friends, we'll keep bringing you more exciting projects like this. Let us know in the comments how you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.